Today's most successful manufacturers are highly connected. They're connected to sophisticated data-driven factory and production technology. They're connected to shifting customer demands through modern service channels and the products they produce. But most importantly, they connect every single part of their value chains and view the value chain as a single connected experience. By sharing data from each part of the value chain with every other discrete part of the process, everything gets smarter and more efficient. It starts with demand sensing. Data gathered as products are used helps the manufacturers address real customer problems in future revisions. Customer data also fuels smarter marketing and sales by helping manufacturers understand exactly what the customers want. Data from systems, customers, and connected devices can drive more efficient order management and finance, and enables entirely new revenue streams. The information from demand sensing enables strong supply chain forecasting. Then, information received from across the supply chain enables smarter design and development decision making. It goes right the way through to customer service, where sensor data can help manufacturers deliver service proactively. This digital thread connects everything, but it's held together by two key things. Analytics and artificial intelligence take data from across the chain and turn it into actionable insight that's redistributed to every part. That is the power of the connected value chain, and that is the core of the connected manufacturer.